Hey guys, today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of May, which is $28 plus tax, free shipping. It is valued at $120 plus. You choose 3 products and Ipsy will choose the other 2 products based on your profile. This can be canceled at any time. The products that you're looking here at the screen are the Glam Bag Plus May 2022 products. Now everyone's choices are not the same and there are many variations of products that will be in all of the different bags. They have a smaller bag for $13, which is deluxe samples, and a quarterly bag for $55, which has 8 full-size products, and it does replace the smaller bag. All of the details regarding all 3 bags and links will be in the description below. The Plus bag comes with this drawstring bag, which is so pretty this month. They are going to be discontinuing it, but I really like this design here, and I actually wanted to get all 3 bags because I like this so much, but I did not actually get the Glam X. So my first item is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser, which may have been one of my choices because I love getting skin cleansers, but I don't remember. So it retails for $38. It's a 4-ounce full size. All products are full size when you get the Glam Bag Plus. So this cleanser is a gentle face wash to soothe for dry and sensitive skin, and it has natural milk proteins with manuka honey, which will nourish the skin without tightness or irritation. Okay, so the next is Rowan Vow Brow Pencil in Dark. It retails for $26. It's a full size. All products in the Glam Bag Plus are full size. It has an ultra-fine tip to create precision strokes to give a defined and natural looking brow, with a built-in spoolie to diffuse and blend and shape for realistic natural looking strokes. Okay, so the next is Pearly's Beauty Blush Glow BB Cheek Color in Mauve. This retails $18. It's a 10 milliliter size. It's always full size in this bag. This is a liquid blush, and it says it's a one-way ticket to Glow City. Cool pink shades give a natural flush, while hawthorn and goji berry extract will help brighten the complexion. So excited to try that one. All right, so the next is Marajai Scarf Scrunching. Okay. All right, so it's $23. Of course, it's a full size, and I guess it's halfway between a scrunchie and a scarf. It's super cute. It looks like it has eyes and eyelashes maybe on it, white color with the gold design. And yeah, I've wanted one of these with little bunny ears on it, so excited to have that. Okay, and the last but not least is the Rodeo Soft Focus Glow Drops. These retail $60. It's a 30 milliliter size, so it says this is an illuminating serum that has squalane, glycerin, and antioxidants, which come together to moisturize, soften, and help protect your skin for a healthier glow. Now, I've received this in all of the different boxes that I get probably 3 different times. This might be the 4th time, and I have not tried it, so it may be time to try that product. It's definitely a nice product. So this card was dropped at the bottom of the bag. It doesn't have any information on the products. It just says that the theme this month is the Wild Beauty. Okay, so those bags were always just a plus. They had no monetary value on them, but I am going to miss them. I do like getting the bags, but let's do a recap now. So the Kate Somerville facial cleanser is $38, and then the let's see, right next to it, the Purely's BB cream is $18. The Rodeo soft glow drops is $60, and then that hair scrunchie is $23, and the eyebrow pencil is $26. So the total is not as high of a value as I typically get. This one totals $165 if you were to gather them all up with the retail value. So, but I pay annually, and I don't know what it comes to, like $26.50, and that includes shipping. So it's a good deal either way, and I will use some of the products. So, but what do you think? What do you think of the bag this month? Let me know in your comments below, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.